So I'm grabbing the Ordinary Morin Hyaluronics and applying that all over my skin, and also patting it on my skin so it can be absorbed better. Then I go in with Krave Beauty's the Beet Shield for SPF, and the only thing I will say about this product is that it requires a lot of product and it is a very small product, so I will keep you guys updated to see how long it actually lasts. For my brows, I'm using the NYX Pomade pencil, and I am just filling in the areas that are sparse. I don't want anything too bold, I just want natural looking brows. For eyeshadow primer, I'm just using the LA Girl concealer. For my transition color, I'm grabbing the color Mama Morin from the Adelaine Morin palette, and I am just applying this lightly on my crease. For my base, I'm going in with the color Girls Supporting Girls and applying that all over my lid before I go in with the jelly lid shadow. Now I'm grabbing the Colourpop Jelly Mud Shadow in the color Origami. It's such a pretty gold color. I'm applying this all over my lid with my finger just so it can apply more delicately. And it's honestly just such a pretty bronze color. With the brush that I use to apply the color Girls Supporting Girls, I am just going to blend that quickly. Then creating a wing liner with my roller liner from Benefit. Then I grab my Too Faced Naturally Radiant Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that on my under eyes, anywhere I have blemishes, and then I'm blending that with my Real Techniques sponge. Not sponge, brush. To set the places I put concealer, I go in with the Elcie Cosmetics pressed powder. To bronze, I grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Rich Amber, and I apply this on my temples, my cheekbones, and this is more just to warm up my face. And this is the moment I realized my camera was going to die. For blush, I'm going in with the color I Feel Beautiful and just slightly patting that on my face. Then I'm hiding my cheekbones and my temples with the color Promise Ring, and I am just slightly patting that because I want a subtle highlight. Then I curl my lashes with my Revlon eyelash curler, and then I'm priming my lashes with the Subversion Primer and then the Perversion Mascara, and I'm pretty sure I said that backwards, but it's okay, you guys know what I mean. Then with that same color I used highlight with, I am going to highlight my inner corners. Then I just applied Vaseline on my lips because I've been having really chapped lips. Then I'm going to grab my NYX Matte Setting Spray, and I've been loving this, you guys. It reminds me a lot like the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I post every Monday and Wednesday, and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. Bye.